Hello, good afternoon. Today is Monday, and we got Alan's computer desk came in, and today we are going to assemble it. Yes, happy Monday. So what I've done so far is in the area, take the stuff out so we have space to work with, and probably gonna have to get rid of that one. So this is the computer desk from Amazon. So this is Bestier brand, and it should look like that.
The final.
So this is our new computer desk. Pretty
where
much
do we put
Alan's computer desk. It's all good. Okay, just
Move it to the
move
corner
it there. We are going to get rid of that cabinet there. No, don't do that. It might be able to carry you, but that is a sturdy desk. Yes.